Excuse me, I am looking for number 13.
Mandy. Mandy, is this you? Mandy. Mandy, wait. Mandy.
Are you stuck? Hey, babe, what's up?
Hi, honey. Julia, how are you?
You good?
Yeah, of course I'm good. How are you?
You seem like you saw your ghost or something. Why do you look?
No, I'm okay. I am having fun.
Are you
I'll see
serious?
you here.
What did you eat? You ate house again?
I don't even know, baby. I don't know.
Mommy eats out. She doesn't want to eat. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Are you stuck? What are you doing?
Eric. Eric. Eric, man. Yeah? There. What's up? Who's Mandy? I saw her today. Who? The lady I told you about. This is serious. Where is she? I lost her. Everything happened so fast. Tell me, what's wrong? It just came out from.
Babe. Wake up.
Baby, what is it?
We're late for work, okay? It's past 7 right now, okay?
Babe, I'm not sure I'm too strong for that. I won't be going to work today.
For real? What? Are you, okay. I'll take you to the hospital.
No, that's not necessary. It's just my monthly flu.
Oh. I'm so sorry, my love. Sorry, okay? You'll be fine, okay?
Okay, babe.
Yeah? You good? People try your woman, huh? Seriously, I swear, we don't even appreciate everything about you guys. Like, every month you bleed and you're in pain and uncomfortable. Also, like, if we have meets in the middle of our sis, we complain like the world's ended. Pros and cons. You could have where you're stronger, we have where we're strongest. Let me get you cranberry juice, okay? What do you want to eat? Salad juice.
That would be very nice.
That would be great, actually.
I would love that.
What do you want to eat?
Cranberry juice.
I'll get a cranberry juice for you myself. But what do you want to eat? I'll tell him to make it.
Cranberry juice.
I really like it, Goosey. I'll tell him to make that. It's not good for breakfast, we're not going to work, so if you fall asleep, it's all good. We're back in a second, babe.
Alright, my love.
Alright.
Let me see your teeth. Did you brush this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Very well.
Yes.
Okay.
You're here?
Hey, baby.
I thought you were upstairs.
I came to feed you.
Edro. What's about the juice?
Ejiro.
Edro, cranberry juice.
Get your gas tea.
Okay, ma'am.
You're bringing tea?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I haven't told you. Yeah. Cranberry juice, okay? For her, cold. She likes it that way. Yeah, no more information.
Okay.
Yeah. Junior! Put it there. Bring it high with power. Oh, man. Okay. Come on, this one will do for now. Alright, baby. See you.
Alright, honey.
Alright? I'll tell you.
Good luck, baby.
Yeah.
Have more tea.
Madam, you see day for bed.
Ejiro, what do you want?
Na cry you dey cry so.
Ejiro, I said, what do you want? Ah!
Sorry, madam. Madam, na oga say make I make a cranberry juice for you, make you drink.
It is not cranberry. It's cranberry.
Ah, okay. I forgot to
Ejiro,
put
just
the app.
leave, okay? I'm not in the mood. I will send for you when I need it.
No vex o, madam. Na instruction from oga. And if you no drink am now, e go sour.
Get out. You want to force it on me? Get out.
Madam, no, na just oga just tell me say make I just dey try
I
tell,
said
but-
leave.
This one where only you dey here dey do incantation by yourself. I know say anytime we don't deal like this, problem dey. Let's say I will beat you.
Efe, I say if anybody beats me, why you need like to mind your business?
No vex, sorry. I may find trouble. But that aside, that's food waiting for kitchen. Let's carry out.
Carry am as in what? As person wey never chop food for there, abi?
How for you? Small thing I just talk now, you don't shout. Who has the shout this now? They go think say maybe na one basin of food you carry. They no know say na that small thing when you go even belle food that pussy cat wey dey just come back. Now you give me chop. If na you, that thing go belle food you.
If you don't want your business, but make I tell you something. If you know see this work, this your work wey you dey work for this fit you. No touch that food. No near that food. Else, I go tell madam say enter in kitchen.
You dey threaten me? Small office you just get and you just dey spread, just dey do like tolo. You dey spread. But no wahala. Now the time wey be say I go see you come my office, come mention my name. Na that time you go know say na me dey call Efe Tobore. Efe. I go spell the Tobore later until you come my office. No wahala.
Eric, I don't think this will work. See, we've been here for hours and nothing is happening. Damian, this is the problem I have with you. You complain too much. See, this is her route. I am sure she will pass. I'm tired, though. I need to say it. I'm tired. How can two grown men be on the streets this morning? Waiting for a lady that we don't even know whether she's coming or not? What is this now? Damian, that's it. You can go if you want to go. Just allow me focus. Allow me focus. Okay, today not today. Yeah.
Hey, sugar.
What's up? So Fred just called. He's having his birthday party day after tomorrow. That's Sunday. So we're going.
Oh, really? Honey, I don't think I can make it. It's a wrong timing for me.
What? Sundays we go to church. What else do you do on Sundays? Do you have a new addition into the schedule for Sunday?
Babe, I already called my friend.
Your friends?
My friend.
Oh.
I told her I'll be coming to braid and wash my hair.
You've been asking weird lately. Is everything okay?
I'm good.
Yeah?
Go have fun with Junior, okay? I'm perfect. I'm fine.
That's not the right picture, though, of me and Junior showing up without the wife, without the mother. That's not.
Baby, I am sorry. I'll make it up to you. I promise.
Alright, no problem. You're not even watching anything?
No, I'm actually chatting with my friend.
Who are you chatting with? Which friend have you suddenly developed
my
that?
Girlfriend.
You don't like any of your girlfriends. Which one is this one again?
Look at her.
I'm not,
Pick up. I've seen her. Well, she just passed. Let's go. Okay. Follow her. Follow. She has done. Follow. See. Turn. See her. It's like she knows we are following her. We'll go again tomorrow. You and who? It's not possible. I won't follow you. See, it's obvious that girl has eaten you deep. Look, I was asking you to go with me. If not for your bad luck, maybe possibly I will see that girl today. I may be the bad luck now, right? So since morning when you carry me from my comfort zone, come out, you don't call me bad luck. Now I may be the bad luck. Oh, wow. You can say whatever you want to say. Whether you like it or not, I must find that girl. As far as that girl is in this town, I will find her. I wish you good luck. Thank you. Don't call me again, no, because I don't answer you. That kind of waka, you hear waka did today. Don't try it again. I beg, give me whiskey. I beg, make I clear head. Okay, you know your way around. Go carry whiskey if you want to stay. Yes, I did. Now give me whiskey now. Yeah, just wait. Relax. I will give you. Just wait.
Who be Sue? Eh? No, they come like that again.
No verse. Yeah, no verse. Sorry, no verse. You do the verse. That's something I want to ask you. Now can me come? See, for some time now, I know they see madam come outside or even say she dey go work. When they wonder, say, maybe they don't sack her.
Who sack am? Efe, na you sack am?
Share that stuff. Why you always like to use question, answer question? It never changes your bad character. And even if you say this to yourself, say you go add and enjoy your New Year resolution, eh?
Why you dey always think negative inside your mind? What kind of person you be, sef? So because of saying madam decide to dey inside her small, you don already conclude inside of your mind say oga don sack madam. Na only who dem sack dey inside house.
Na question I ask. The little you suppose do na to answer me. Now you dey for inside house. Me na gate I dey. I ask you question, you go be like say something happen. The only reason why I dey even ask you this is because say I dey very, very concerned about madam.
You dey concerned?
Yes, now.
Okay. You dey concerned about madam? Okay, I don hear you. So make I answer your question, eh? Madam dey okay. Madam dey inside. She dey do small fasting and prayer. When she finish am, she go come outside. I don answer you.
You don answer am. But as you answer am now, you die. Or as you answer am, they comot the E wey dey for ejiro. Small question wey person go just ask you now, wey be say you go just answer, make everybody face their front. You wan first show yourself, you wan spread like turkey. No be your fault. You see me finish.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
why you didn't? I thought you were missing your stylist today. So.
Baby, she had this whole service and couldn't make it.
Are you serious?
I wish I actually went out with you.
Oh, you missed out. It was so much fun, but forget that. Are you okay? You good? You've been staying indoors. Hope it's not affecting
I'm
work and all of
fine.
that. You sure?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Babe, babe, listen. You can talk to me. Okay? If it's anything, it's anything. It's us. Okay, talk to me. What's going on? You've been staying indoors too much. You can do whatever you want. But
Actually, babe, you won't understand.
the
I
doctor's going
haven't been myself.
babe, the doctor's going to find out why. He's going to understand, and he'll give you a small pill. Might taste bitter, but you drink it with juice, cranberry juice, right? And problems will go away. Okay? So let's go see the doctor tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, I'll go tomorrow.
We are going tomorrow.
I will go, not me. I don't want to bother you with this.
No, it's not about babe. It's not about me. Okay? It's bothering me that we haven't handled this. So it's helping actually. So I want to go tomorrow morning. Yeah? Good. Love you. See your photo.
Love you too.
Finally. I'll sleep well. I'm going to sleep well, so first is tomorrow morning, okay?
Sure, we'll go.
Doctor, doctor, how are they doing?
They are fine. Sorry, who are you to her?
Haman.
Haman? A boyfriend or a husband?
Husband.
Husband. It's okay. Sorry, your son needs blood.
Oh, that's what I mean.
Okay, fine. Sure, then let's go. Make sure you discuss, okay? You said she's a wife and the boy is your son.
Yes. I mean, I called the phone and a nurse picked up and said that they had an accident. So that's why I'm here. I rushed down here to see them. Can I see them now? That's actually why I'm here.
You're not allowed to see them now.
Why?
Your wife, as you claimed, is in coma.
Is that bad? What about my son, Junior? Junior, how's he doing? Is he good?
He's okay, but you can't see him now.
Why can't I see him?
He needs time.
What? For what in particular?
Young girl, are you sure you're the husband to that young lady?
Why do you keep asking me the question? I've said yes over and over again. She's my wife. Okay? Why do you keep... I don't know why you keep me away from my family and you're asking me the same question. What's going on? No, what's going on? You can talk to me. What's going on?
Why you dey cry? What's happen? Who beat you? Talk now. What's happen?
My enemies don't follow me. Calm down, no.
You get enemies. This enemy is something everywhere. If the enemy do you, they cry. Enemies go laugh you now. What's be the problem? What's happen? This is like. Hey, do you know what happened? Did you not let you talk?
Madam and Junior.
Madam and Junior, what's happen?
They get accident.
Hey!
Remember Madam died.
Madam and Junior, get that? I don't come. Hey!
I don't want to go
done? Eric, what have you done? Damian, hi! I have blamed myself enough already. I didn't know it would get to this. I warned you. I told you leave this girl alone. Move on with your life. I told you. Please, Damian. I didn't tell anyone I was the cause of the accident. We need to keep this to ourselves. I don't know why you are so obsessed with this girl. Thank God she didn't die, because it would have been a different story. Oh my God. There is another problem. What problem? Again? Mandy is married. I'm not surprised. Yeah. Well, that's not the point. Mandy is married to my stepbrother, Eddie. What? Hi. Salah. Problem.
Mr. Eddie, please can I see you in my office?
Why did he clear the bills? I didn't ask him for help. I didn't ask him to clear the bills. I didn't ask anybody for help. I can clear my own family's bills.
Eddie, you need to calm down and take things slow. Remember, he's still your brother.
That doesn't mean he should clear the bills for me. I didn't ask him for help.
He has told me everything. Okay, just let it go.
See, tell him to stay away from my family since you guys are talking. Right? Since you guys are close and buddy. Tell him to stay away from my family. That's all I'm saying. Stay away from my family. I can handle my own problems.
You're supposed to be grateful. He donated 2 pints of blood for your son.
Why would he donate 2 pints of blood for my son? I am here. No, please explain that to me. Why would he donate 2 pints of blood when the father of the child is here?
Look, it was an emergency.
Emergency,
He
so...
was not here. Do you know what would have happened to your son? You're supposed to be grateful. Besides, your son still need a pint of blood.
I mean, I have a couple of pints in me. I mean, you no need to ask me. I'm the father, but if you want, I can give. Do you get me? Just a couple of pints.
No, not now.
What do you mean not yet?
You have to come back later, okay? You need time to take care of yourself first.
What do you mean take care of myself? Oh, my blood is not good enough for my son? Because that's the blood that's running in his veins. It's not good enough. I don't understand what's going on. What's going on?
I have realized my mistake and I'm here to make amends.
How'd you get in my house? You're going to call the police.
Efe!
Get to my house.
Okay, save your brother, save your brother.
He said what?
Save your
Now
brother.
wait.
Sorry,
Are you opening the door?
sorry,
Are you
sorry,
mad?
sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Arrange this thing.
Yes, sir.
Eddie, please, I'm here for peace. Eddie, we can talk about this. Eddie, I'm still your bro.
Still doesn't match. This is the 3rd test with the same results. I think we need to carry out a DNA on both of you, Mr. Eddie.
Oga, your food don't dey cold. Oga.
Stop tapping me, Joe. No.
Oga, you never chop since yesterday. You never chop. Abeg, chop small.
Thank you. You can go now. Hello? Okay.
Mr. Eric, all the tests conducted on him proves negative. He has no match for the boy.
Doctor, how is that possible?
I'm equally as confused as you are. There is every possibility that he's not the biological father of the boy. We need to run our DNA test on them.
Doctor, this whole thing is confusing. I'm confused about everything.
I'm confused as well. But the problem there is the boy needs blood.
Doctor, what are we waiting for? Let's go now. I can still do it.
No. You've done a lot already. You need rest, okay? You know this whole thing is risky.
So, doctor, what are we going to do?
Food not ready.
Have you come to?
This thing again make you dey come here because of food.
Like, I believe food matter. You don't see your gas since when you come back.
You never see am. Maybe if you dey inside, if you be saying the mom madam.
You dey crazy. If you don't say madam don't die.
So see wahala. No be you tell me yesterday say na small thing remain make madam kpai. No wetin you talk. If you be say oga dey inside the mom madam, him go just lock up dey do am code there on you, he no tell us, you no go know.
You dey right o.
Oh.
Oga just lock him safe inside house since yesterday. The food wey I even give am for evening. You know it ah. This morning now, I don't do food since. I don't dey knock. Oga no gree answer me.
Eh? Yeah. As don't be like that now. The food they give, I no chop am.
Chop o.
Instead of the food to waste, why no just bring am come and make I chop? That pass now. Because that food waste and I throw it or go to the
No way. I'm going to do
No be you come meet me just now. I did my own no. So that food now you go allow and waste. Where you go? Make you go bring am now, make I wait. You hear me?
Eric, this story is so complicated. So, does it mean Mandy has been seeing another man all these years? See, I am as confused as you are, trust me. Mandy's in the best position to answer these questions. But sadly, she's in coma. They need to save that boy's life first. And pray that Mandy recovers. That's the real thing to do right now. Only they would agree to our perspective. I don't know why he's so adamant. I don't know why he does not want to forgive me. It's not easy. Okay? You need to give him some time. You know he's passing through trauma this period of time, please. Okay? It's not easy. I understand, but I am frustrated. I am tired, Damian. I know. Take it easy, please, okay? Take it easy. Everything will definitely fall in place. Okay? I hope so. I hope so. It's all good. It's all good. Alright? Chill. Alright? It's okay. It's okay. Ah!
Mr. Eddie, your wife is awake.
Are you okay?
No. Doctor is okay? You'll be fine. Alright? Sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Sorry, you'll be fine.
Baby, my head.
Please give me paracetamol.
Baby.
Okay. Sorry. You'll be fine, okay?
It's okay.
Honey, my head.
I'm sorry.
Baby. Wait, where is Junior?
Just lay down,
Where's
baby.
Junior?
Lay down. Junior's good. Junior's good, yeah?
Ah,
Everybody's good.
my head.
Sorry, sir. Please. Just rest yourself. Okay? You'll be fine.
Is there something you could do about the pain?
She's coming with paracetamol.
Paracetamol? No. This one is paracetamol won't do anything to
Don't
this.
worry. It's without
She literally had. Look at her. It's an accident. She's just waking up. She came back from coma. She needs Eric, you've not said anything since you came back from the hospital. What's up? Mandy is awake. Oh, that's good news. No. The crazy thing is, she started screaming as soon as she saw me. Screaming? Screaming like she was screaming aloud. Eric, you know I'm like a brother to you. And I won't deceive you. Okay? It's obvious that Mandy don't want to set her eyes on you again. So why don't you back off? Never. That is never going to happen. See, that incident at the hospital is not going to stop me from seeing Mandy. You're calling for a fight? Then so be it. So be it. Gosh. Okay.
You do this one, you do this one, you do this one, Jesus, you do this one, you do this one, you do this one, you do this one, Jesus, you do this one, you do this one, you do this one, you do this one, Jesus, you do this one, you do this one,
You don't do.
you do this one,
What's Jesus do for you again? I know, I see, I really dance.
If you go my village, they go tell you about AG Road.
You don't do. You want to start to make maths now. Small clap, put a clap for you. Nah. You want to make them two kind of people party.
Yes.
What's happen? This is how we just do jolly like this. They do. Like, don't cash out. Don't collect salary.
Maybe it's maybe about money now.
Okay, relax. Throw away that matter. Fast. See, anything will concern me now about money. You understand? Everything will concern me now about money. If I go soon change my name from Efe to money, say if you come Efe tomorrow, man, I'll answer you. But if you say money,
some things pass money, Efe. This one, now good news don't land soon. Hey,
if you give me gist, you go dance this dance later.
Efe, madam don't wait. I didn't tell you.
Madam don't do it.
Madam don't wait.
You know, madam don't wait. Don't be lie. Sharp. Powerful.
So sweet me.
You sweet me too.
Hey.
Madam don't wait. Sharp. So madam they come back now. Yeah.
So just wait, ma go prepare special delicacy for madam.
You have to wait. I pick everything for kitchen. Yeah, just go do your thing. Go. Yeah, if you okay, my belly, I'm a chop. Make every plate. Madam don't wait. Hey, you do this one, no say. Madam don't wait. Shut down everywhere. They should pour the juice for fridge, make it cold. You understand? But we'll just drink. I don't drink alcohol, just put juice.
Please come in. Hi, Mr. Eric. Please sit.
Thank you. Very well, thank you. Doctor, first of all, I want to apologize for what happened the other time.
Eric, it's okay. Okay, that's bygone. All right. I actually invited you over to have a brief conversation with you, Eric.
Doctor, is everything okay?
Oh yeah. Remember your last visit to Monday? She was not really okay. Like, she has been really down. And I want you to be completely honest with me. I want to know what transpired between you and Mandy. Like,
Did she tell you anything?
I just want to hear from you, please.
Yeah. Doctor, I need to go now. But don't worry, I'll be back shortly. I'll be back.
Something is fishy. Something is not right. It's okay.
Doctor, please. I need to see my husband.
He'll soon be here, okay? Just give him some time.
This is exactly what you've been telling me. And I noticed this cold attitude each time I ask about my husband.
That's because I don't even know where he is either. I don't know.
Then discharge me. Doctor, I need to be home. I need to be with my family. Look, Doctor, I have the strange feelings that everything is not all right. Eddie is a caring man. I'm wondering why he hasn't come to see his family for days now.
Mandy, Eddie is passing through a lot.
Eddie is passing through a lot? What is wrong with my husband? Doctor, talk to me. He's my husband. You can't hide it from me. Just speak to me. What is wrong with him?
Eddie knows Junior is not his biological son.
What? How? How come?
From my findings, Junior's paternity test matched with that of Eric. So, something is wrong somewhere. Something is definitely wrong.
Eddie!
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
What do I do? What do I do?
You are an evil witch from the depths of hell. And I pray that you get everything that is coming for you, I swear to God. Just only for even calling this number, not even for what you did. That one deserves what I cannot speak. Do you understand? But just for calling this number, you deserve the depths of hell. Yesterday, so it's already late. Don't ever call this phone again. Bitch! Nah, man. Ha!
Doctor, it is very, very confidential.
Confidential. That you can voice out to ravage this situation. Look, the more you keep quiet, the more it escalates. What is going on between you and Mandy?
Mandy and I have been friends from school days. I was in love with her, but I couldn't bring myself to tell her about it. After a while, I relocated, and somehow we lost contact. While I was away, she got married to my stepbrother Eddie. Eddie on his part didn't tell me he was getting married or show me his wife because of the issue we had regarding my late father's property.
Mandy.
Mandy, is this you?
Eric!
Mandy!
Eric!
Mandy, so good to see you. Mandy, so good to see you.
Where are you coming from?
I can't believe my eyes.
Wait, Eric. Is this your ride?
Forget about this.
What magic did you do, guy?
What do you mean magic? This is a small car now.
Oh my God, it's so good to see
So
you.
good to see you. What are you doing around here? You stay here?
Not really, I came to see a friend.
Oh, that's good. I could just drop you.
No, don't bother. I'm fine, I can find my way.
Are you sure? Is the place closed?
Eric!
Okay, you know what? Just give me your number.
Of course, why not?
Wow, so good to see you.
Same here.
I'm listening.
We had sex. When she woke up, she was so upset and she left my place angrily. Since then, I've tried every means humanly possible to reach her. But she blocked me from reaching her. I just wanted to see her, to make it up to her, to see if I can get her to forgive me. But that has not been possible.
Do you know the affair you had with Mandy leads to Junior's pregnancy?
Doctor, what are you insinuating?
Junior is your son.
I no dey understand anything again. Oga never chop food now for how many days for this house? Eh?
See, Ejiro, make I just tell you the cocoa. You dey hear me so? You see this matter so I dey smell something fishy inside. In my mind, dey tell me say something don happen to Madam and Junior.
Big. Nothing go happen to Madam and Junior. Nothing go happen to them in Jesus' name.
Amen.
But what you talk? Small truth dey inside though. Because Oga tell me say make I no go give Madam food.
Oh, you see that's why they talk. See, you know what I tell you something, eh? See why they observe, you say, Madam don't buy.
Hey, take am easy, your mouth. Take am easy. You know some guy dey house. Don't let your mouth go land you for trouble. Eh? Make you take am easy as they talk.
See, you know, who see truth make it talk? You understand me? Who see truth make it talk? So this morning, what I see Oga, Oga no be like, we be alright at all. Oga, I just swell up like a we don't cry. So he never even 6 years ago when he cry. When your face don't swell up like 7 days puff. You be like, they beat for dreams, eh?
If you like you are propos too much. You are propos too much. In fact, if they send you, tell them say you not see me. Oh,
Ejiro, I see you. You wear hair bonnet and apron. I see you. No be here I dey my own way you carry ameboko meet me. Now you want to come out yourself, you say I no see you, say na only me dey. So if wahala gas now people ask you, say na only me. So now my spirit I dey talk to for here. Ejura, I see you, I see you. I won't make mistake. You just carry camera, snap our two. In case I will say evidence dey. I see you.
Hey, Eric. I'm so sorry. I kept you waiting. Traffic is so much. I'm so sorry, please. What's good?
Damian, I'm a confused madman. Do you know, man, this child is my son?
What?
The doctor told me everything yesterday. Mandy even confirmed it herself. You remember I told you I had an affair with Mandy?
Yeah.
I didn't know she was Eddie's wife.
This is too much. Guy, like seriously, you have dealt emotionally with Eddie. First, was your father's property? That is not enough. Secondly, you had an affair with his wife. Now, the child is nurturing for years now is your son. Come on. What's going on?
See, Damian, trust me. I've been thinking of 1,000 ways to just make this right. I've been thinking of ways to make this work. I just think I'll just confront Eddie and we'll just settle this thing once and for all.
Hey, I advise you to relocate from this country, from this town, from this world. Because this young man might see you and decide to end it all.
If that makes him happy, he should go ahead. I'm not leaving this town. If killing me makes him happy, then he can go ahead.
Eric, you're important to me, please. Please, leave.
I'm not going anywhere. If Derek wants to kill me, I am here. He should come kill me. I'm not going anywhere.
God, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
Just let me be.
Hey, stop!
It's me.
What? Who again? What's the Abu you find?
Please just open the gate.
Why? Because you talk.
Please just go in and tell your guy that I need to see him.
That one a lie, or that one not happen. To make I tell you for your information, but that don't want me say make I no open this gate. So you know why we see you near this escape here, if you understand?
I'm not here to cause any troubles. Just open the gate. I need to see him. It's urgent.
You know
it's important.
No worry, just they wait for us.
No, please stop. Please help me. Please come now. See, I just want to talk. Hello. Please. Hello. Please now, help me.
Mom, how are you feeling? Mom, how are you feeling now?
Don't worry, Junior. Mom will be fine, okay?
I don't want her to die.
Junior, come on. Nobody's dying, alright? Trust me, nobody's dying.
Leave me alone. Just stay away from me. Doctor, he has to leave now. Just leave. Get out. Leave me alone. Leave.
Don't worry. Mandy, you'll be fine, okay? Just calm down, please. You'll be fine, okay? Okay, Mandy, I'll be back, alright?
Hello.
What's happening? They never tell you say make you know they come again. Waiting.
Please, I'm sorry. Please take it easy.
Waiting happen.
I am not here to fight. Your guy has not been picking my calls or replying my messages. Please, I need to see him. I need to talk to him.
I don't see how now you the same to come sack me for here. I don't see him. Now you the same, Abby.
Nobody's going to sack you. See, okay, please, just tell him to reply my messages. Please help me.
I know what I don't hear.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Where you dey go? Ogun wan kill you. Where you dey go? So this one I tell you now, you know hear am. No be I tell say I go tell am yesterday. Wetin you dey find go inside? I go tell am and then tell am na the same thing.
Okay, you tell him to reply my messages.
Let's just the word. So make I please you displease myself, Abi.
Please, you need to please.
Dress, man, no mash you. If you like say you say this year also where they give me na for play. Oh boy, see, I dey.
I'm not here to fight. I'm not. Take it easy. I'm not here to
Adjust. Oh yeah, 6 years.
Please just
Dress.
Tell him to reply my messages, please. I am begging.
Dress.
I am begging you.
I don't want to see you again. I don't want you.
You can help me. Please do this for me. Please.
Seriously.
Please.
You know what, come out, Abi? You know what? Wait.
Please now, please.
You know what, come out? Wait at the phone. Just wait. Go.
Please.
Go.
You can help me, please.
As I dey clean house now, I come notice say Madam and Junior picture no dey for wall again.
If I tell you something, maybe you believe me. My mind no dey lie for me. My spirit no dey ever lie for me. If you Madam and Junior don't pay me, they don't die.
I'm sure you talk. I believe you now. You feel good. But why be say Oga can't keep that kind of thing from us? Why?
Don't do. No verse. Sorry. On behalf of Oga, let Madam and Junior apologize. Oga's supposed to tell you, as in family member where you be now, or as in mother-in-law, because now you collect bride price the day when they go marry Madam. He's supposed to tell you.
He's supposed to tell us now. At least we dey work for this house. We be staff. We don't talk family.
You thank God say you don't use your mouth talk am. Don't talk and say na staff you be. Stay as staff. Na salary you dey collect, so you no be family member. Collect your salary, make you mind your business. I no so concern you for this way you talk.
Madam no fit die. My madam no fit die.
Shebi if Oga come here now, come ask you to make you dey cry, you go see wetin you go answer am abi. Because I no dey here, I don go. Me and you no talk anything. I no even see you. Are you sabi? Like no stop until you dey cry.
No.
Mandy, this is not the time to apportion blames. The boy is not in your court. So you should know what to do with it.
My son stays with me till I'm discharged.
Are you really sure about it? Why don't you consider reconciling with Eric? He's the father of your child.
That would be very stupid and senseless of me to do. Doctor, what are you even saying? You don't expect me to marry the same brothers, do you? Eddie already got married to me. I can't settle with another person from the same background. It's not done.
I understand, okay? So what's your plan now? Since Eddie is no longer interested.
Honestly, I'm not in a good position to make decisions. I will have to relate to my people about this first.
I'll be fine, right? Just stay strong. I'll be in my office.
Daddy.
Hey.
Welcome, son.
Yeah.
Dad, where have you been? I have missed you.
Oh, nice to see you. You're feeling better.
Dad, will you come take me home?
Is he fully recovered?
Oh yes, he was supposed to be discharged 2 days ago. Yeah, he'll be fine. Can I see you in my office?
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Alright.
Please,
See you later, okay?
please, Dad, don't leave me.
I'm not leaving you. If I was leaving you, it would be autumn and the tree would be here. Nah, don't leave me. I'm coming.
Bro, since you've done your best, so allow him to do the rest. So, my advice.
That is the problem. This man is not doing anything. He's not making any move.
The doctor called to confirm this. If he's not doing anything, then that means he has backed up. So there's an opportunity for you to claim what rightly belongs to you.
Sincerely, I am not interested in any of them. I'm not interested in them. Since the child is comfortable with Eddie as his father, then so be it. It's not my decision to make. I don't want to meddle into any of that.
You say sometimes you don't me. Yes. How can you say that? You want to leave your child because of your brother that doesn't care? Is that it?
See, you're my friend. You should understand the plan. See, the plan is for Mandy to forgive me. And that's it. I'm not interested in making her my wife. She's already my brother's wife. I don't get married to her. We're already bearing the same surname. You should understand this thing.
This your matter too complicated, I beg. Do your wish. You want some?
No, I'm not interested.
Oh, Mr. Eddie, over the years, I've never come across an issue as complicated as this. The deed has already been done. And do not forget that Eric is your brother, and Mandy is your wife. You have every right to calm the storm in your home.
What's the right thing to do?
You need to forgive them. You have a home to protect.
And the boy needs to go back to his father.
Eric is not really after that. He told me that himself. All he needs is you to forgive him. He needs your forgiveness and that of Mandy's. So please, forgive them.
So how you doing?
Better than yesterday.
Cool. I heard Junior is doing better.
So I heard.
So what's your plan for him?
I don't know.
He has to be sent back to his father.
That will never happen. I can't live without Junior. I can't let him leave. My conscience will not let me do that. Conscience will judge me if I let Junior leave. I can't do it.
I have to go on my head. Heading out.
Hey. Hello, Mandy. How are you feeling today?
Full of energy, I would say that.
Wow, that's nice. So can I say?
Of course, why not?
I've got good news for you.
I can't wait to hear. What is it?
Okay, the good news is that you and Junior will be discharged tomorrow. What? Look, I understand how you feel, okay?
Hedy will be here to pick you up, trust me. I don't want to go back to the house. I really need to stay far away from them.
You don't have to. But your husband needs you now, more than ever.
I can't even stand the shame, the disgrace. How do I even look at my husband? I haven't been able to forgive myself ever since I found out that Eric and Eddie are siblings. If I have my way, I will raise my child all by myself. I just don't want any trouble.
No, please, don't say that. You can't deprive Junior from fatherly love, okay? He needs his father and you know that. Why don't you just forgive him and then move on with your life? Please. Please, I'm begging you. Forgive him.
I have forgiven him.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, doctor. Doctor, are you serious? I'll be there. I'll be there first thing in the morning. I'll be there first thing tomorrow morning. Thank you, doctor. Thank you. I'm so grateful. Thank you.
See your head like fake news.
Meaning waiting. See, make I just warn you, if you do anything what you do for this house, no yawa. But not try to open this your mouth, insult me. Show you the ear.
I never even start to insult you with a complaint. If I insult you, you go wrong. Liar. Now you tell me say, Madam and Junior don't die.
Me? How? When? When me and you take get that kind of discussion, how? Maybe na my spirit much for your because me, I know I not tell you anything.
You don't decrease. So you and your spirits now be two different people.
Before uncle, see, talk with him, you want tell me, they not die again.
Now you won't kill them. Which kind of person you be so? Oga just come in and tell me say, Madam and Junior, they come back tomorrow.
God's good though. Our God is good. So don't come back. It's not a good news, oh. Wonderful.
And even make I go write list because Oga tell me say he want to welcome party for them.
Run up.
But maybe you want to worry me so.
Just run up. You know it's how they take now. No need for me to tell you again. Let me say you go now, say you forget to. If you don't remember now, make I tell you.
It feels so good to be back home.
It's nice. So what were you doing? Like, what happened? We've never really had a conversation. You know? I mean, were you driving fast or you fell asleep?
Babe, everything happened so fast. I can't even explain it.
I mean, for safety reasons, you know, if you're going to get you another car or you get me.
Honey, I'm not thinking about another car.
Okay. Idra, there's someone at the door. Well, you need a driver. Okay. Who's that?
That's up.
What's up?
That's up.
Why your face there like that?
Okay, first of all, I don't tell us me in the go, so you know one see him, but you know, yeah, I tell him. Okay, I tell us me in the go. Ghana, that guy will see your brother.
Where is he?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. If it's still outside in 2 minutes, so let's lose your job.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't mean let him in. I mean you should get out of this community.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
So go now. Go now.
Go now!
Sorry, I had to shout, sir. Yes. Some things we just don't talk about.